brand new collection by our friends at Modascrap. This is an Italian company owned by a very delightful husband-wife team. And what I think is wonderful about their papers is that every single sheet is different. There are 12 by 12s. And they are highlighted by a watercolor look. Isn't this just stunning? Absolutely beautiful. Now, scrapbookers, you know you can put your photos around that and that will be fine. Card makers, you can cut this into making 4 different cards, and that would be stunning too. So here is, isn't that just beautiful? And as I said, every single sheet is different. The butterflies up there, leaves down in the corner. And then we have this sheet with the kind of mottled looking of all over pink. And then we have this with the individual elements. They're just asking to be torn out or cut out to go on your projects. And then we have an all over blossom and then an all over leaves. So that's nice. Then we have a green sheet. Again, it looks like it's been watercolored. And then you can see the leaves just floating. And there we've got the blossoms floating. Do you see a theme going on? Again, more watercolor, bringing both the pink and the green in this time. And then we have those butterflies, very sweet butterflies all over. And then again, a watercolor in this gray tone. So as I said, all 12 of them are different. All of them have the watercolor look, and they are a heavyweight paper. And we are delighted to have Modascrap with us at paperwishes.com.